Hello, today I'm going to show you the new microfiber floor mop and bucket set. It should be very easy. It has the capability of washing and drying on both sides, and it has a water drainer, easy to take out the water, and there is a microfiber mop pad that can be used to mop the floors. Let's check out the contents. So to add the water, open the lid and add water on one side. And make sure you keep wash on the side where you pour the water, and then the other side it's dry. To start cleaning using the floor using the mop, so you can insert on the side that you pour the water and scrub it on the side so the excess water will go down. So once it is done, you can put the mop on the other side of it, on the dry side. And you can also handle very easily the mop bucket, and there are two drains available to take out the dirty water or excess water whenever you are done. And on the dry side, always keep the mop on the dry side so it always stays clean, and then it also dries very easily.